Hello student, today we are here to learn how to add ly. You know student, it's very interesting and easy. But we have to learn them all the rules. Let's move further. How to know how to add ly. When we add ly, the word becomes adverb. There are some rules and regulation. Those we have to follow them. Let's move further to know about them. Add ly to words ending in a consonant. Dear student, when a word ends in consonant, we simply add ly. For example, slow plus ly becomes slowly. Endless plus ly becomes endlessly. Beak plus ly becomes beakly. Stupid plus ly becomes stupidly. Friend plus ly becomes friendly. Please pay attention student that all these words are ending with consonant. That's why we add ly simply. Here we are with our rule number 2. When we add ly to the words ending in full, ful, full, there are many words which end in full. It makes full. See over here. Here are words which consist of full in the end, as careful plus ly, carefully, wonderful. We will make double L. We will add in full ly, wonderfully, and here would be full. Beautiful plus L, beautifully. Faithful plus ly, faithfully. Peaceful plus ly, peacefully. So student, now from today onward, you will keep in your mind while adding ly, if you find any word which consists of full in the end, then you have to add ly. Dear student, when we add ly and any word ends in e, we need not to remove that e. We just add ly like this, as lone plus ly, lonely. We didn't remove e from here. E will also be stay. Live with ly is equal to lively. Love plus ly, lovely. Complete plus ly, completely. Definite plus ly, definitely. Dear student, we should keep in our mind that while adding ly, we need not to remove e. Here is an exception. Let's see that exception. Here is e in the end of true, true. We will remove e from here and we will add ly. Then it will be truly, tru. After removing e, we just add ly, truly. Here is one more rule of adding ly. What is that rule? We change e to y in words ending in consonant plus ly. Means the word which ends consonant plus le. How? as BLE, TLE, PLE, KLE, BLE. See, these all words are ending with TLE, PLE, BLE, KLE and BLE. Then what would we do? We will change this E while adding LY. And how would we change this E? Words end with all these BLE, KLE, BLE means consonant plus LE. We will remove this E and we will change this E into by. See, gentle, GENTLE, gentle plus LY. We have removed E and we have changed this E into Y. Gently, simply, terribly, wrinkly and miserably. Have you got? Dear student, when words end in L, we makes a double L. How? See, these all words end in L as cool, cruel, special, final, accidental. And while adding ly, we will make one L into double L. Coolie, cool, coolie, cruel, cruelly, special, especially, finally and accidentally. Dear student, when words end in Y, we change that Y into I. If more than one syllable. More than one syllable means easy. There are two syllables. Easy. When we will add ly, we will change this Y into I and we will speak easily. Happy. These are also two syllables. While adding ly, we will speak happily. Busy, busily. Crazy, crazily. Lazy, lazily. I hope you have understood. While adding ly, if word has Y at the end, we will change in I if word is more than one syllable. As we have learned earlier, while adding ly, if word has Y in the end and it has more than one syllable, we will change that Y into I. But here, if word has only one syllable, we will not change Y. As shy, we will not change this Y. Thus, word is ending in Y. We will not change this Y because word has only one syllable. Shy, shyly. Sly, slyly. Exception. Here are some exceptions. Let's see what are the exceptions. These words are also has one syllable and ending with Y, but we will change them into Y. But we will change Y of these words into I. Day, daily. Gay, gaily. I hope you have understood now all the rules of adding ly. Bye bye.